15 glorious years of saving lives, 5,475 days, and 6,89,672 lives saved. The 108 Ambulance Service Goa. An initiative started by Health Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane in 2008. It is the dawn of achievements and accolades for the government of Goa. The various initiatives taken by Health Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane are the harbingers of a new era in the healthcare in Goa. The free of cost. 108 service in Goa with a fleet of over 100 ambulances has saved thousands of lives. 108 ambulance service is handsomely equipped to handle various healthcare emergencies with its advanced life support ambulance, cardiac care ambulance, bike ambulance, neonatal ambulance, hearse van drop-back and rescue vehicles. The fleet is huge enough to spring full throttle to any rescue in healthcare emergency situations. Over the years, victims of road accidents to cardiac patients, from distressed pregnant women to distressed newborns, and others have witnessed the life-saving services brought forth by the initiative. The unflinching dedication of the government to serve the people of Goa has played a huge role in emergence of top-notch healthcare services in the state. Here's marching ahead to save life, one day at a time, always.